This is how to set your press sound on keyboard Yamaha PSRE373. What you're going to do, first of all, you switch on your keyboard. When you're on your keyboard like this, and then you wait for the keyboard to load. As you can see, I don't on my keyboard. And then you're going to put jazz guitar. Jazz guitar is 25. Is number 25 on, no, jazz guitar is number 56. Jazz guitar is number 56 on keyboards PSRE373. And then you put your bass guitar. If you want to play both bass guitar and keyboard at the same times, you press your split voice. Make sure that the sound that is in that split voice is bass guitar. As you can see, this is my bass. The bass stop here. This is my bass here. And then if you want to put like Makossa sound, Makossa beats, so that you can capture, so that you can know what you can play, this is what you're going to do. You're going to press start. This is the sound, and then you press style. This style here, and then Makossa sound is 135. You press 135. This is Makossa. Then you're going to reduce the sound. You want to do like octave -1. You press A, B, repeat, long press like this, and then you press function until you see octave. You see my own is on -1, then you put +1. You hear the sound now. This is my bass, and then my bass, and then my jazz guitar is here. Everything done set. You can play like, yeah, my God is good. And then I forgot to put one thing. You have to increase the bass to reach this place. Now you're going to press A and B, repeat, long press, then put the screen, bring the camera here. You see it is here. You press plus until it reach here. Now my bass is here. My bass stop here. It stops here, so that I can do like this. Now let's go.